At first, I was nervous about how I would be perceived with a very daring haircut, but then I realized I do not care what other people think about what I look like, and I never have. I'm Julianna, and today I'm getting a Mixie cut. I'm getting a Mixie cut because I think that this is going to be a big change, and I've been waiting for a big change to come in my life. Just cutting off like an inch or two wasn't enough, that I was ready to actually cut it all. So I've been a vintage collector for 5 years now, ever since I moved to LA. I love to style people and I will dress people so crazy and so fun, but my personal style is pretty tame. I think that this cut is going to, just make me go wild.
I'm Holly Seidel. I'm a hairstylist and I specialize in razor cuts. So Mixie is a hybrid of a mullet and a pixie. It's characterized by a shorter top and then soft tendrils around the neck. The thing that I love most about 70s style shags is just that they're effortlessly cool. It seems that every decade it comes back. It's just like a classic, cool rock and roll vibe. It's so good to see you. It's been so long.
Yeah, Holly, it's so good to be back. Yay. Oh my gosh, I've missed you. So I think I want to get the Mixie.
I love that cut for you.
Yeah?
Yes, I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. We can add fullness at the top and frame your bone structure and bring out your best features. I'm excited.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you.
To get this style, I have the client washed first, so the hair is clean, and a nice conditioner, and then some type of product to put on the hair under the razor to keep the hair lubricated, because it's really important when razor cutting to keep the hair evenly damp and keep it lubricated. And then basically you identify how long you'd like the longer tendril pieces to be. And what I do is, depending on how thick the person's hair is, starting in the back, I take out a lot of vertical weight with the straight razor, and that opens up the hair so it can have movement. And then I start working my way up. And as I go up, I create shorter layers, and they're very scooped out. So it goes from short to the longest length, which are those tendrils. So then I would go into the front and shape the bangs, maybe make some pieces shorter, scoop out and carve out the tendrils that you want around the face and the pieciness. And then lastly, you cut the top by basically pulling it up in vertical sections, taking out weight, maybe carving it out from short to long so you have some little flips. And then basically you bring the back up to meet those top layers and just take it straight off. So with this cut, it can be left to dry on its own with the right product. Today I use some round brush to basically directionally flip out some of the pieces and have them around the face, just a little bit more curves, and also to get a little more volume around the top. And that's pretty much how I do it. All right, Julianna, are you ready to see your Mixie cut?
I'm so ready.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
All right, here's the big reveal.
Oh my God, this is amazing. This is amazing.
I love it on you. I mean, just the way it's framing your face and your features, I just love it.
This is beautiful. I had no idea this was possible. Like, this is incredible.
Oh, I'm so glad you love it. I really do too. I feel like it just fits you like it was made for you.
I feel so good about this. I'm just kind of over the moon right now. Like, I can't believe that my hair could do this. Like, it was so long and flat and lifeless, and now it's so full of volume, energy, life. Like, I can just play with it, like put it up, put some like texturizer in it, just kind of like ruffle it around and just kind of go.
The maintenance on this cut is really easy. This cut is meant to evolve and grow out, so you really don't have to keep it up unless you really want to. Some people really enjoy watching it evolve over like 3 to 6 months, and it becomes something different. It doesn't grow out and get heavy because of all of the weight removal with the razor and all of the cool interior pieces that are installed. So that's really cool.
A lot of the times I've kind of hid my head or put my hair away, you know. Now it's all part of the look. It's going to bring everything out. It's going to just make everything come together with, just so much more vibrance and just a lot more energy to everything.